This video is to go over number 1 on your CR35 final exam review. Now, hopefully you, Alexia, you and Freddie tried it, gave yourselves about 5 minutes, and now you're deciding whether or not you need to check out how I went about it. So let's go ahead and talk about this problem. 2 pounds of dried cranberries cost $5.04. 3 pounds of dried cranberries cost $7.56, and 7 pounds of dried cranberries cost $17.64. Which equation gives you the total cost Y for X pounds of dried cranberries? Okay, so X is your pounds of dried cranberries. Your Y is your cost. And they want us to figure out what we have to do to each X to get to the Y's. That would give us our equation. So they tell us 2 pounds of dried cranberries cost $5.04. They tell us 3 pounds of dried cranberries cost $7.56. They tell us 7 pounds of dried cranberries cost $17.64. Alrighty, Roo. Which equation gives the total cost for X pounds of dried cranberries? So the big question here, we know it's going to be, you can even look at the final answers, Y equals some number times X. In 7th grade, I think you call that K. That's your constant of proportionality. It means if you know the number of pounds, there's something you'll be able to multiply that by that will get you to the cost. So a lot of times with this unit, you looked at it in terms of a table. How do you get from 2 to 504? What can you multiply 2 by to get 504? You better be able to multiply 3 by that same number. And then you could multiply 7 by that same number and get to the 1706. And that will give us what we have to multiply X by. So let's take a look. 2 times what is 504? Well, you know, if you're trying to figure out 2 times some number gets you to $5.04, just take 504 and divide by 2. 2 goes into 5 twice. 2 goes into 10 5 times. And 2 goes into 4 twice. Oh, 2 times 252 gets you to 504. Now double check on your calculator. What's 3 times 252? I hope it's 756. What's 7 times 252? Double check. Is that 1764? If so, I'm pretty convinced our constant of proportionality is $2.52. To get the cost, you take the price per 1 pound, which is $2.52, times however many pounds you're buying. Hopefully that's what you came up with.